Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Marvel cinematic intro in Capcut. First, open Capcut and begin a new project. Import your video clips and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for that classic widescreen feel. Next, we will select a bold, impactful font that mimics the iconic Marvel title style. This initial setup is crucial for achieving the desired cinematic effect, laying the groundwork for your impressive intro. Now, let's bring your text to life. Add your chosen text, such as your channel name, and select a powerful animation. Use keyframes to make your text appear and move with impact, perhaps zooming in or fading dramatically. Enhance the visual appeal by adding effects like subtle lens flares or light leaks, which can be found in Capcut's effects library. These elements will significantly elevate the cinematic quality of your intro. Sound is paramount for a compelling cinematic intro. Choose an epic, orchestral soundtrack that evokes a sense of grandeur, similar to Marvel's iconic scores. Carefully synchronize sound effects, like whooshes or impacts, with your text animations and visual transitions. Pay close attention to pacing. Trim your video clips and text durations to create a fast, dynamic sequence, typically lasting between 5 and 10 seconds for maximum impact. For the final touches, apply color grading or a cinematic filter to give your intro a professional, cohesive appearance. Capcut offers various options to achieve this. Thoroughly review your entire intro, ensuring all elements, text, visuals, and audio, are perfectly synchronized and impactful. Once satisfied, export your stunning Marvel-style intro in high definition, ready to impress your audience with its professional quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.